How to do it in Instagram feed post in a reel. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create, Login and Delete. Let's get started. So first, go ahead and open your Instagram. Go to the post that you'd like to do it, and it can be someone else's or your own, but it has to be a single photo or video. To use someone else's, they must have allowed remix option when they posted it. So click on the three dots of the post and then select remix. To edit the video, click on edit video. To add audio, click on audio. So you can add another music or your own voiceover, a saved sound, or different sound effects. Once you select music, you can choose which part you want for your reel and then click on done. To add text, click on text and you can write whatever you want in the font and color that you want. Once you're done writing, click on done. You can also add your own photo or video by clicking on sticker. Select this photo icon right here, click on that, select the photo that you want and you can adjust it where you want and then click on done. You can adjust it to which part of the reel that you want it. Once you're done making all the changes, click on the blue arrow and then you can share it as you normally would. So this is how to do it in Instagram feed post in a reel. Thanks for watching till the end and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.